Hello everyone, welcome back to my video uh, Data Analyst Explorers YouTube channel. Here we will solve another SQL question which is top earners. So let's see the question. We define an employee top earning to be their monthly salary into months worked and the maximum total earning with the maximum total earning for any employee. In the employee table, write a query to find the maximum total earning for all employee as well as the total number of employee who have maximum total earning. Then print these value as two a space separated integers and input. So basically we have an employee table in which there is employee id, name, month and salary. So what we have to do, we have to calculate another thing which is earnings, and this earning will be calculated as salary into month. So we want another column which is earning, which is a month into salary. And now what we want is we want to find the maximum total earning for all employees as well as the total number of employees who have maximum top earning, and the print these values as two spaced integers. Now let's see the solution. So we select what we want to select, earning which is month into salary. So we will write as months into salary as earnings. And also what we want the total number of employees. So what we want the total number of employees, so we will count star this from the table employee, and we will group by earnings earnings and we will order this by earnings descending in the descending order, and we want only one value, limit 1. That's it. So basically we want the name of the employee which has the maximum earning, which is month into salary, and we will so we are ordering this by earning descending, and we want the limit as 1. Now let's try to run the code, and here we can see that our answer is right. So basically total 7 employees have maximum earnings. So the output, we can see the output, and also we can click on this submit code. And thank you for watching this video.